Okay, student. Already we have discussed exercise 2.1 from question number 1 to question number 5. All the solution based on addition and subtraction. Now we comes to question number 6. Before starting it, please try to view the whole video to get better understanding. If you want to understand the concept properly, please view the whole video. So, question number 6. Solve the following. A sum. What should be added to 5 crore 37 lakh 93,210 to get 8 crore 89 lakh 6,972? Meaning of this question is, what number we have to add in the number, that is 5 crore 37 lakh 93,210. इस नंबर में कौन सा नंबर ऐड करे कि हमें सम जो है वो 8 करोड़ 89 lakh 6,972 obtained हो. So we will be having the hint word here. You are seeing that my hint word is added. I have defined my hint word in colored form, the red color form. So here it is added. So we will be getting the answer of this sum by doing opposite of addition. So we are familiar, opposite of addition is subtraction. I will be getting the answer by subtracting a smaller number from bigger number. So let us see the solution. So first we'll be arranging the numbers. First we'll be arranging the numbers as per the headings and the place values. So we have defined all the numbers, the bigger number as well as the smaller number according to the correct place value. So as per the rule, we'll be starting our subtraction from lowest place value. So it is ones. So first number, from 2 we have to subtract 0. It is possible. So 2 minus 0 is 2. We'll be writing answer as 2. Now we'll be going to tens column. 7 minus 1. Yes, again possible. 7 minus 1 is 6. We'll be writing our answer as 6. Move to next column, that is 100. 9 minus 2. Again from 9 we can subtract 2. It is 7. So write 7. Moving on, 1000 column. 6 minus 3. Again from 6, 3 is possible to subtract. So write the answer as 3. Next, 10,000 column we will be moving. 0 minus 9. Here we are seeing 0 minus 9. It is not possible. So 0 will be going to the next column, that is the left column where 9 is present, and asking 9 to land 1. So when 9 land 1 to the 0, see I have defined 0 in black letter form and the landing number as the color form. So when 9 land 1 to 0, it becomes 1 0 10. And here when 9 gives 1 to 0 or land 1 to 0, it becomes as 8. One number less will be there, so it becomes as 8. So 10 minus 9 now will be doing, it becomes 1. Again we will moving to next column, black column. 8 minus 7. 8 minus 7, it becomes as 1. So write the answer as 1. On moving to next 10 lakh column. 8 minus 3. Yes, it is possible. 8 minus 3 is 5. So write 5. Lastly, crore column will be moving. 8 minus 5. So it is 3. So this way we will be reaching to a final answer. So answer will be 3 crore 51 lakh 13,762 must be added to 5 crore 37 lakh 93,210 to get 8 crore 89 lakh 6,972. So this is our required answer. So by adding this number in the given number, we'll be getting the final conclusion or final answer. B part says, what should be subtracted from 9 crore 66 lakh 5,399 to get 4 crore 53 lakh 98,932? Our question is having the representation that from the bigger number, what number we have to subtract so that we can get the answer as 4 crore 53 lakh 98,932. So again, here our hint word is subtracted. So by the word subtracted, it means we have to do the subtraction process. So we will be subtracting a smaller number. See, we will be subtracting a smaller number from a bigger number. On representing all the numbers in the format, we will be having our calculation from our lowest place value column. So here it is ones. 8 minus 2. So when we subtract 2 from it, it becomes 6. So here we have defined 6. Moving to tens column, 9 minus 3. Again, from 9 when we subtract 3, it will be 6. On moving to hundreds column, 3 minus 9. From 3, 9 can't be subtracted. We cannot subtract 9 from 3. So 3 will be going to the next column and asking to land 1. So here 5 will be landing 1, 2, 3. So you have to make a change, cut and write it. 3 is the number, and when 5 land 1, it becomes as 1, 3, 13. And with 5, 4 will be left. So cut and write 4. From 13 on subtracting 9, we get 4. So here 4 will be our difference value. From 4, now we have to subtract 8. Not possible. Again 4 will be going to the next column and asking to land 1. But since 0 is the value, 0 can't land 1 to the given number. So first 0 will be going to the next column, that is leg column, and asking 6 to land 1 so that 0 can help 4. So here 6 will be landing 1 to 0, and then 6 becomes as 5 and this 0 becomes as 10. Now this 0 has already become 10. So from 10, 1 will be landed, and now 4 becomes as 1 for 14, and here it will be one number less, that becomes as 9. So this way 14 minus 8 we will be solving, we get answer as 6. Next 10,000 column will be moving. 9 minus 9, we will be applying the property of subtraction. We have seen similar number when subtracted, the answer will be always 0. So here 9 minus 9 is 0. On moving to lakh column, 5 minus 3, it will be 2. Next 10 lakh column, 6 minus 5, it will be 1. Next crore column, 9 minus 4, it will be 5. So this way we will be having a final answer 5 crore 12 lakh 6,466 must be subtracted from 9 crore 66 lakh 5,398 to get 4 crore 53 lakh 98,932. So this will be our required number which we have to subtract from the bigger number to get the final answer as 4 crore 53 lakh 98,932. Now let us see our C sum. Find the difference between the largest 8-digit number and the smallest 6-digit number. Already we are having the clear concept of how to obtain largest 8-digit number and the smallest 6-digit number. So here the question says that from largest 8-digit number you have to subtract, difference means subtraction, you have to subtract the smallest 6-digit number. But here we are not familiar about the largest 8-digit number and smallest 6-digit number. So we will be first finding the smallest and the largest value. So solution, the largest 8-digit number, whenever the word largest comes, always the single number which comes in our mind will be 9. 9 is the single greatest number. So here 8-digit number requirement is there. So we will be repeating 9 8 times. And this way we will be having the number as 9 crore 99 lakh 99,999, which is a 8-digit number. Next, the smallest 6-digit number, whenever the smallest word comes, we always start from 1 and then insert number of zeros to get the required digit number. The smallest 6 digit number will be 1 lakh. Now here we have to find the difference on placing the largest 8 digit number and smallest 6 digit number in our table. As per the heading and the place value, we will be having the representation as follows. So let us start the subtraction from ones place. 9 minus 0, here we are having the property also. We have learned the property of subtraction. In subtraction, whenever we subtract, we will be following the property of subtraction from any number. If you subtract 0, you will be getting the answer as the number itself. So keeping that property in mind, we will be doing the subtraction. 9 minus 0, 9. Again, next 9 minus 0, it will be 9. Moving to 100 column, 9 minus 0, 9. Moving to 1000 column, 9 minus 0, 9. Moving to 10,000 column, 9 minus 0, again it is 9. Moving to lakh column, 9 minus 1. So it will be 8. So we'll be defining 8 here. 10 lakh column, 9 is alone, so copy as it is. In crore column, 9 is alone, copy as it is. So this way we will be getting our difference as 9 crore 98 lakh 99,999. So this is our final difference.